My name is Naoko Mabon. I'm Wagon. I've been living in Aberdeen for 5 years now, and then reasonably soon after I moved to Aberdeen, I started my practice under the Wagon. And then I don't like to use numbers to impress people, but I been created around 20 art projects so far, including exhibitions and events, exchanges across the world. So in Aberdeen, other part of Scotland, and Japan, where I'm originally from, and Taiwan and Brazil. So kind of I'm gradually expanding my working area at the moment. So it actually confuses people sometimes, but it's my trading name, and then I'm working as a freelancer. And then my aim is that, well, the name Wagon probably suggests the characteristic of a particular type of vehicle, which is limited, which has only limited capacity, and then manual operation, and then maybe slow. So maybe the content that I can carry is quite limited, but my idea is that to carry something new. I mean, the new point of view towards our daily life. So that's kind of rough aim. At the moment, there are lots of challenges in Aberdeen, but I now see those challenges positively. So they are positive things to me, but in general, we have many challenges in Aberdeen. For instance, a lack of creative spaces and opportunities, a lack of kind of coherence vision, like individual practitioners and authorities. We don't have a quite coherence vision towards the future or sustainable future, and we don't have lots of communication between individual practitioners and organizations or policymakers. So that's kind of big challenges we have in Aberdeen. I'm looking forward to actually just keeping going as a freelance practitioner, just keep doing what I'm doing, and also as a collective, I think as a part of a wider community, art community in Aberdeen, we kind of, again, we would like to keep, I think, continue like pushing forward our collective spirit, I think, kind of moving forward. I can only give advice to people like me, people like freelancer and are interested in curatorial practice. But I would say that don't be afraid to be small, fragile or slow, and but don't forget about asking critical questions to yourself, and then to your maybe authorities or art organizations in the city, or maybe colleagues as well. Keep questioning, but just stick with what you actually want to do, and then you can figure out other practical or financial things later on. But just stick with what you actually care or want to do, and don't be afraid being small or like slow, fragile. That could be your strength.